I'm back with another frequently asked drone question. A lot of people ask, do you need a license to fly a drone? There are two ways to look at it. If you know that you're going to fly your drone for commercial purposes, so making money with your drone, whether it be through freelance drone photography, videography services, maybe you even have a YouTube channel that's monetized, whatever you're doing to actually make money from your drone, then yes, you're going to need a license to fly your drone. And that is called the Part 107. I have a video where I detail how you can get your Part 107. There is a fee associated with it, but when you think about the return on that investment, it is very small compared to how much money you can make with your drone. And it is a requirement from the FAA. So you could get in trouble, you can get fined. And if you're working for a client, that client could also get fined depending on the circumstances. So it's best to go ahead and take care of that FAA Part 107. And it lasts you for 2 years. And I also have a video on what happens once that 2 years pass and you need to renew your Part 107 license. If you're flying for recreational purposes only, you do need to take the trust test, but it's not a license, but it is recommended and it's a free test and it's a course that gets you up to date on all the drone laws and it's something that you should take anyway. Just because you buy a drone doesn't mean you should just fly it up in the air without a caution or without so much as a care as to the laws that's going on. Make sure you take that trust test. It's linked in the bottom of this video with more details.